Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade an unsupported PC to Windows 11 version 25H2. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Find the section for the disk image ISO download. From the version drop-down, select Windows 11 version 25H2. Choose your language, then click Confirm and download. Save the ISO file to your computer. Now visit the official Rufus website. Download the latest version because only recent versions support bypass for Windows 11 25H2. Plug in a USB flash drive with at least 16 gigabytes of space. Open Rufus. Under Device, select your USB. Click Select and choose the Windows 11 25H2 ISO you downloaded. Rufus will display a window called Windows User Experience. In this window, check the boxes to remove the TPM requirement, remove the secure boot requirement, and allow installation without a Microsoft account if desired. This creates a custom installer that bypasses all compatibility checks. Click Start and wait for Rufus to finish creating the bootable USB. After that, leave the USB plugged into the unsupported PC. Restart the computer and open the boot menu by pressing the correct key, such as F12, Escape, or F2. Select the USB drive. When the Windows 11 25H2 setup appears, choose Upgrade if you want to keep your files and apps. The installer will continue without blocking you for unsupported hardware. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. This is the complete method. Thanks for watching.